right, welcome to B4U Star Stop, and I'm starting to figure it out. This is going to be the way things are going to happen. The delays won't happen while waiting on sets. The delays won't happen, when you're driving to a place. But I'm just going to miss being in touch with the person. I'm going to miss a hug. I'm going to miss a handshake. But it's all right. We'll try to do things like this. Two of the finest performers that we have in our industry. I'm not going to state the obvious. Perhaps one of the most beautiful women that we have and flawless skin. Yami, hi, how you doing? And
How are you? So good to see you.
I know it's been forever, and one man who never shows his skin. I mean, I don't remember the last time I saw his jawline. He has a fantastic jawline. He's been living with his beard for a very long time. Vikrant, brother, how you doing?
It's always such a pleasure to hear from you, see you. It's so heartwarming. So good to see you again.
You know, it's these times. I don't quite know what to say anymore. You know, I speak to some of my friends. I spoke to Vishal Dadlani, and very interesting. First 2 months, he said, "Brother, I was super productive." He said, "Then I got bored, and then I built a body. So now he's got these biceps, which he keeps taking these selfies of. Right? You all would have seen that. So tell me, what have you all done? He couldn't become the master chef like 99.9% of the world tried to become. Let's start with the both of you all. Yeah, what did you sort of develop over the last 6-7 years or discover about yourself?
यार मेरा जवाब जो है ना वो एक ही है क्योंकि मैंने बहुत लिमिटेड चीजें की हैं. अनफॉर्चुनेटली जस्ट टू गिव यू अ बैकग्राउंड ऑफ थिंग्स, मेरा जितना भी हाउस स्टाफ था और मेरे पेरेंट्स के घर का भी हाउस स्टाफ था, वो होली के पहले अपने अपने घर जाते हैं हर साल. उनकी खेती में उनका वो जो भी होता है होली का सेलिब्रेशन वो करने जाते हैं. तो एक बार वो दोनों तीनों वहां पहुंच गए. उसके बाद तो फिर आई वॉज एब्सोल्युटली विदाउट एनी हाउस हेल्प एंड सो वर माई पेरेंट्स विदाउट हाउस हेल्प. तो मैंने बहुत चीजें ब्रश अप की हैं, अपने स्किल्स जो बचपन में मम्मी ने सिखाया था. वो है झाड़ू पोछा बर्तन. ये सारी चीजें मैंने ब्रश अप की हैं और मैं बहुत इनक्रेडिबल हो गया हूँ इन चीजों पे. दो चार चीजें मैंने खाने में खाना बनाने में सीख ली हैं. But more or less, yeah, like I think with most of us, the initial first few days were like bliss. Also because, I was literally living in a suitcase for the last 3 years, hotel rooms to hotel rooms. But, very fortunate, it's a paradoxical situation. You really can't say fortunately, you can't go out saying that because, it's a global pandemic. It's been tough on a lot of families. But yeah, I got to spend a lot of time with my parents, with my fiance. हम घर पे काफी वक्त बिताया. Netflix and chill बहुत किया हमने. Subscription का पूरा पैसा वसूल किया. Yeah. And
Vikrant, you look like the quintessential professor. Chashme, side parting, है ना दाढ़ी के साथ. You're like a typical professor, the cliched JNU professor kind of person you're looking like right now.
But I can
I
play
was
that
thinking more of
Money Heist का professor also, ना?
Money Heist.
Ah!
Professor.
वैसा बोलो ना.
Money Heist.
Too much Netflix, huh? Too much Netflix going on. Now we come to the lady who's, how should I say this? I think vanity was a very important thing during the entire lockdown in the 6 months. You see, because the gym or even figuring things out. So either you became very good at skills or I think vanity took a beating because I'm looking at the cricketers right now also, some of them, I mean, the first thing, they weren't saying how great the shots were. I mean, the audience today, you know how excited they get online. They were talking about waistlines, and you just go like, oh my God, you want to be a little careful. Was it tough? I mean, especially for actors, knowing that you will start work 6-7 months later? But what do you do in these 6 months? Because you might have people that will say, or sir, क्या looks किया आपने? क्या किया? Some actors, normal people don't have the pressure of saying that I have developed a six-pack, new workout regime and all. What did you go through, in those 6 months?
Salil, you're taking a lead from what you said in the end, which is very true. The people, what they see physically, just with their eyes, is fitness to them, which is very sad. Because what's inside that, perfect looking body, they might not be really healthy. So for me, this lockdown, I think it was a very important reality check. And I went through, I've written now also a couple of posts on how my experience was in Guinea with Sunny health wise. I was going through the worst phase. I barely recovered from dengue. I had still not. And I was back on set, and this whole pressure of, psychologically you're not fit, you're not healthy, and you're not fit. And so to accept it and you'll be like, okay, fine. There will be people who will say, "Arey, ye to thoda sa, she's put on weight or something," but that's an actor first. I have to first work on the skill. These things come and go. So that was the film bit of it. And I rediscovered kind of myself and my abilities with yoga.
Ah.
I didn't want to do any online classes. I didn't want to do any of these. It's good. I mean, it's also giving employment to somebody else. That's great. But I just wanted to not give too many interviews about this is what I'm doing. This is what I'm doing. Just took it as an opportunity to just switch off and just introspect and just to start something and see for myself.
So that's the beauty of this last 6 months. It's given a chance for, if you choose to, for performers, actors, celebrities to be invisible. How did you like that life if you wanted to choose it? Like Vikrant can choose sometimes. I mean, he's never been one of the most socially, people, posting kind of people. But you've somehow, well, there is a certain section of the audience that wants to see the great glam pictures and all that. I think actresses end up becoming more of a shikar of that, But did you like the life of not anonymity, but at least a break from something that you might never be able to get again? Did you like it?
I loved it. And I loved it. And I'll tell you something, Salil. There was still no break. Huh? There was still just like first 10, 15 days, okay. But after that, people were like, no, we still have to work. These digital, these ghar ka photo shoots started happening. I said, but what do you talk? What is it? What new do I have to interact? To give? I don't have anything. Isn't it tiring for people to hear?
I hated Insta lives. I think Insta lives, I started to cringe. Har koi. And the best part is, everyone's become a self-help guru or an interviewee or has become like this motivational speaker. I just started to go like, ye kaun hai ye log? Kaun hai?
But on the other side also, I feel, Salil, whatever made somebody happy, if it gives you really, it makes you happy, do it. But if you're still in a lockdown, also in a pandemic, also you're taking the pressure. Oh, am I going to be visible for a long time? Then that's a problem. It was decided. It was very intentional. I said, I don't need to do anything. I think it's fine. Let me internalize things. I waited very patiently for a little lockdown to open so I could finish Guinea with Sunny dub. Then took a flight quietly to Chandigarh, and here I am with my family.
This is sheer bliss. Yeah. You look, yeah, you look relaxed also. I think Vikrant, when you look back, like you said, you've been living on a suitcase for the last 3 years. You've done some wonderful work. I think sometimes you can get the good work. Sometimes you can try to get the good work and have to settle for lesser. In those cases could be, cinema that you don't like to do. But I've always said this about the both of you. Even Yami makes sure that she chooses what she want to do. Maybe a commercial film with Ayushmann was fantastic for her, which did very well, which was very unlike her. This also, by the way, is in a different kind of zone. But with you, I've always loved your choice of films. You stuck by them. They've actually now held you in good stead. Would you call it a risk over the 3 years, the kind of choice of films that you were making?
Firstly, thank you for the kind words, Salil. Yeah, see, there is always a risk factor involved, but I think for the person that I am, or for, the background that I have, I really don't want to pay a lot of attention to, these things. I back myself, and it's a very old adage. If I don't trust myself, it'll be difficult for someone else to trust me. And that's where you have to absolutely believe in yourself, and also it's a collaborative effort. ऐसा नहीं है कि आप अकेले काम कर रहे हैं, कैमरे के सामने आप अकेले नहीं होते हैं. There are hundreds of other people involved in the process of filmmaking. So I've been very lucky. I would not want to sort of take everything my way. I've been very blessed in a lot of ways that the writers who've written about me, say maybe 5 years ago when I just started off in films, I was not in a position to choose. As an actor who really wants to be, I'm sure you're an actor yourself, you will understand what I mean. When I left television, it was a very conscious decision to explore films. And, Anurag Kashyap, Vikram Motwane, they were really kind enough to give me those opportunities. But yet I was not in a position to choose. But today, yes, I am blessed that I get an opportunity to work with someone like Yami Gautam, who's a big star. And also at the same time, it happens to be something that fits my bill.
Hey, listen, but you have some of the finest actresses, finest, most beautiful ladies who are your co-stars. We were just discussing the other day. This Vikrant Massey is just figuring it out and has got the best lineup, man.
And I'm not sounding, I'm not pretending to sound modest. As I said, a couple of years ago, maybe I was not in a position to choose. I don't think even today I am absolutely in a position to sort of sit back and choose. There is still a lot of work that I have to do. My priority right now is to be consistent as an actor. You know, uh,
Did Death in a Gunj actually change all that with as far as you being able to choose?
yes, in a lot of ways. Had Death in the Gunj not happened, I probably would not be sitting here chatting with you or working with Yami Gautam. So it was Konkana Sen Sharma who actually, and Konkana Sen Sharma के साथ साथ Alankrita Srivastava का भी उतना ही बड़ा हाथ है, because while we were shooting for Lipstick, Konkana had actually just randomly spoken to Alankrita about कि वो एक film बना रही है, Lanky, I'm making a film and I'm looking for a 25-year-old guy. So Lanky was like, oh, 25-year-old guy, he's standing right behind you, and that's how the film came to me. And my continuous collaboration with Alankrita Srivastav, even Dolly Kitty or even Made in Heaven for that matter of fact, a part of me will always be indebted to them for whatever I possess today. So, even when a lot of people tell me कि अरे यार तुम तो अभी मतलब यामी गौतम के साथ फिल्म कर रहे हो, सॉन्ग एंड डांस कर रहे हो, तो तुम डॉली किट्टी क्यों कर रहे हो? तो वो नहीं हो सकता. Whatever I have today is because of them. Even if they call me for a passing shot behind, and if they think I am the right guy for it, I will go for it.
No, but that's the versatility. Please don't ever let go of this. लेकिन इतनी बार जो तुमने यामी गौतम बोला है, पहली बार जब यामी गौतम को स्टेज,
I want to know.
हाँ, जब पहली बार तुमने वहां पे देखा ना, सुनो सेट पे तुम एक ऐसे एक्टर हो जो यामी गौतम ने तुम्हारे बारे में पढ़ा है कि अच्छा एक्टर है. तुमने यामी गौतम के बारे में पढ़ा है कि भाई 100 करोड़ की हीरोइन बन गई है, 2-3 बार हो चुकी है, निहायत ही खूबसूरत है, बहुत अच्छी पर्सन भी है, लेकिन वो झिझक है सेट पे या क्या है? वाज इट इजी फ्लोइंग फर्स्ट डे?
आपने जितनी भी चीजें अब कही ना, अब मुझे पता नहीं अच्छी चीज है या बुरी चीज है, मेरे जहन में ये चीज क्रॉस ही नहीं हुई कि वो 100 करोड़ की एक्ट्रेस हैं या वो बहुत बड़ी स्टार हैं. वो ऑब्वियसली ये एक कहीं ना कहीं था. मुझे कॉमन फ्रेंड्स के थ्रू इतना जरूर पता था कि शी इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इनक्रेडिबल ह्यूमन बींग्स. और ये मैं सिर्फ इसलिए नहीं कह रहा हूँ कि ये यहाँ बैठी है, ठीक है, ये
नहीं
शी
बोले
इज इन द थिक ऑफ इट.
बोलो.
She is in the thick of it, Salil. She's been a part of the fraternity and right up there. She's been an A-lister all her life. And कहीं ना कहीं वो एक ये था कि हाँ ठीक है, ये सारी चीजें तो हैं, और क्योंकि ये सारी चीजें तो लोग आप अखबारों में भी पढ़ते रहते हैं, सोशल मीडिया पे भी देखते रहते हैं, बट जो चीज मुझे देखने मिली, जो चीज मुझे जानने मिली, वो था यामी जी एज अ पर्सन. And the moment I
Brother, you just called her Yami G. Oh my God. Was it not the...
He calls me Yami Ji, and he's the only one who's allowed to call me Yami Ji because yeah. He calls me Yami Ji from day one. And please note,
Is it the G with a G or a J-I?
it's J-I. It's J-I, no? I've just taken the liberty. And I asked him.
J.I.
So when I call him
It's
Masi
J.I.
Ji, he's not Vikrant for me. I've barely called him Vikrant. It's always Masi Ji.
Yeah,
Masi
it's
Ji,
weird.
yeah. So
It's weird.
that's
Massive.
तो ये one sec, Yami, I'll not call you G. मुझे बहुत अजीब लगेगा.
So all these peripherals, okay, Yami Gautam, extremely gorgeous, a big star. All of this went out of the window after the first time we sat down to have lunch. Corroborated by, we have common friends. Vicky is a common friend. A lot of other people are common friends. तो मेरा ये था कि yes, I am at the right place with the right person. ये दुनिया के लिए बहुत बड़ी स्टार होंगी, but for me, she's someone I really am. Who's very dear to me, and she's a friend. I can very proudly say that today.
how sweet. How sweet, Masi Ji.
यामी जी, इसी बात पे कड़ा प्रसाद.
इसी बात पे कड़ा प्रसाद. इसी बात पे कड़ा प्रसाद. Which
एक सेकंड, यामी जी, आप कड़ा प्रसाद बनाती है?
दुनिया का सबसे बेहतरीन.
चलो अगली फिल्म में जब हमारी फेस टू फेस मुलाकात होगी, किसी भी तरह आपको डायरेक्टली ट्विटर पर बोला जाएगा कि यामी जी कल जब मुलाकात होगी तो प्लीज कड़ा प्रसाद ले आइएगा. मैं सीधा पब्लिक के सामने लिख दूंगा.
too much pressure, but done. पूरा
2 साल में 2 years has changed Massey G's life. 2 years has also changed your life in a fantastic way. You were always big, but we'll talk about, the change. It was almost like Yami 2.0 happened. We take a little break and come right back. Don't go anywhere. This is so much fun about actors. When I feel so relaxed knowing that there's such lineage and such pedigree with the performers that I'm talking to. So we don't really have to talk too much about just the roles, you know, it makes nice. We come right back, don't go anywhere. You're back on Star Storm with me, Salil, and we've got Massey G and Yami G with us, better known as Vikrant Massey and Yami Gautam, but of course, Ginny Wed Sunny, the new really entertaining film, the very unlike how you would have seen Vikrant. Yami has shown this version of hers in the last couple of years, so we've seen that. But Yami 2.0 is out and is winning the audiences. You know, I think we spoke about this once when we met the last time, you know, physically. But this new avatar of yours is working. This is not you only. I mean, this is the loud Yami is not you in real life, and the assumption. But you're enjoying this a lot more, right?
I think I needed, Salil, another people to see another dimension of me as an actor, which is, and you know, as you said, the perceptions बहुत जल्दी बन जाते हैं. It's very easily, especially people like us, you know, get stereotyped very easily. It happened with me right after my first film, despite doing a wiki donor, despite it getting so much commercial and both critical acclaim. But what followed was, for me, was not how I'd seen it. You know, it took a lot of time for people to figure that, to see beyond what they'd seen on screen. You know, for the lack of a better word, just in a very typical sort of a way, you're put in a bracket in terms of age or in terms of, you know, she looks very sweet, let's give her just these sweet roles. And it happened with me, and I didn't know how to break that shackle. And fortunately, patience has been one of my virtues. I came across, I think certain writers and directors were very kind enough to trust me that, okay, let's just completely give her something which people have never seen her do perform. And last year happened with Uri and Bala, and they just changed the, you know, things for me in a way that I've always wanted to do. I think versatility is so important for any actor. I'm sure Vikrant will agree with me. You never want to, you know, be just given certain types of roles or to be spoken only in a certain way. Unfortunately, the
Boxed,
personality
yeah.
that, you know, you see an actor, you kind of, you know, forget to demarcate between the actor, Yami,
Yeah.
and or anyone, or you know, the person, whoever that is, which is very sad and very weird. But now things have are changed, and they've changed, and they're still. I'm really trying my best to choose roles and to work with different directors. You know, who again help me explore. You know, different dimensions. I'm not sure if it will happen every time, but at least that attempt will always be there. That attempt will always be
But
there.
this
And
Ginny Wed Sunny, I think, is well the loudest avatar I've seen of yours as well as of Vikrant. So essentially, both of you are like I can't like so if I'm looking at if I compare you say with Lutera, you're going like भैया ये तो विक्रांत का स्वीट सा भाई बैठा है वहां पे. But was this a slightly tougher role for you to play because even as a person you're calm, composed, you are like that, you know. So here this is like the biggest acting role say of your life would be, right, or where you have to perform like that.
You could say that. Yeah, I think you can say that. But you know, again, you know, I think it all goes down to the opportunities that are presented today by the writers who are so generous, and the directors, producers who are investing their time and money on you. And individually as an actor, yes, you know, as Yamiji was saying, you know, you really don't want to, you know, obviously you don't want the audiences to box you, bracket you, but unfortunately that's how it happens, especially with the advent of social media. But you definitely do not want to box yourself, because that would be, you know, that'd be the worst thing for you to do to.
So the hairstyle, who decided your hairstyle? I just kept looking at your hair also.
That is Puneet.
Whose idea was that?
Puneet Khanna, who's the director of the film. And and you know what? A lot of things were so easy for me. You know, both these things are interconnected. I'll quickly link these two. Yes, I was entering a territory. You know, it was an uncertain territory for me. You know, I'd never done something which was loud, if you could say. But a lot of things in the second or the third day were aptly clear for me, because you know, my director is Sunny. Puneet Khanna is Sunny in real life. And you know, I'm going to say this here: the way Sunny walks in the film is the way my director walks. And Yamiji ke saath meri bahut baatein hoti thi. I'm like, he's from Chandigarh. and he is a proper Punjabi munda, and a lot of things that I have done in the film are sort of inspired by him. तो वो इतना मुश्किल भी नहीं हुआ था because मेरे लिए चलता फिरता सनी मेरे सामने ही था.
It always helps.
But Salil, that's something which he explored. Puneet never said कि ये obviously that ये मैं हूँ, ये character मेरे लिए बना है. Because Vikrant is the actor he is because of first and foremost thing you observe. Even if you're sitting quietly, that's also work. You're always observing all the time. And one day he actually told me, he said, "I've got my Sunny. He is Sunny." I said, "What are you saying, yaar? कुछ भी मतलब कुछ भी कुछ भी हो रहा है."
So listen.
नहीं.
Was your Sunny also giving you shades of Guinea? So you were able to take Guinea also from the Sunny?
No, then we met his wife.
Acha. I see. I think eventually the film is looking so lovely and so fun. I just hope that this is going to be. I don't want to keep seeing it only on an online platform. I miss going to a theater and I miss having to be stuck over there. But I'm looking forward to both of you all performing so well, yeah. And
please do watch and thank you.
Here's hoping this is the last time I'm doing this with you all, and the next time I'm sitting with you all and doing this. I'm hoping that happens soon.
Hopefully,
and we must add, you've
hopefully,
always
hopefully.
been so kind with your words, Salil. You've always asked some really
Seriously.
nice, interesting questions, which is very important to reach people, which what goes behind so many things. So thank you so much for always your
Thank you
words.
so much.
and
Yeah.
Yami ji and Vikrant ji, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. Thank you very much.